Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by assembling tools and picking a reliable baseline wall. This matters because every measurement references that line. Use a tape or laser to measure length along the baseline from corner to corner, and write each reading immediately with the wall noted. Once done, measure the opposite wall the same way to confirm symmetry, and mark obvious offsets like window sills or protrusions. You do this now to avoid guesswork later and to make calculations straightforward. Now you handle the tricky parts, ceiling height and irregular shapes. Measure height at center and near corners because floors can slope. Average these if they vary slightly. For alcoves or bump outs, divide the floor plan into rectangles and triangles, measure each segment, and label them. Measure door and window openings and their offset distances from the baseline so you can subtract or add area accurately. Doing this methodically prevents surprises when you total the room. Finish by calculating each segment area and summing them for total floor area, then compute perimeter for baseboards or molding. Convert units consistently and round to a sensible precision like 0.01 m to avoid compounding small errors. Once done, sketch the final labeled plan and compare totals to your initial expectations. If values still disagree, remeasure the most uncertain lines, check your tape 0 and laser calibration, and use a second method to troubleshoot one persistent discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.